Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Let's go take a shop tour. Come on in. This is our shipping and receiving department where everything comes in and everything goes out. This is the first step where everything gets manually logged in, digitally logged in, and photographed. This is also the last step. Once the job is done, it comes back to shipping to be sent back out. We also create custom crates for the best transportation of the part. This is our teardown and inspection area where the whole process starts. Here, units are disassembled and inspected by our expert team, and the initial diagnosis of the problem is discovered. From here, we can quickly and accurately get quotes back to you.
This is our machine shop. We've got the best machinists and grinders.
Our full-service machine shop features grinders, turning centers, and milling centers. Our team in the machine shop have decades of experience. We are able to do ID grinding, OD grinding, spindle tapers, and whatever else is needed. We utilize air gauging to get your unit back to perfection. This is our spindle room where everything gets repaired. Inside the spindle room, we have the best spindle technicians on the planet. They have been rebuilding spindles for decades. Their knowledge and experience puts them second to none, which is what makes Motor City the only place to go for spindle repair. This is our testing area where everything is tested and balanced back to better than what we expect. Here is where we really put everything to the test. We run tests for acceleration and velocity using state-of-the-art equipment, like our wireless vibration analyzers that takes mere seconds. Thank you so much for joining me on today's shop tour. Come again soon.